Hello, I'm Yusufshakeel and I'm presenting my final project for CS50. The name of my project is CouponPie. It is a Python program that helps to generate a lot of coupons. It can generate 1 million coupons per execution and it is configurable. And by configurable, I mean we can define the number of coupons we want to generate, the length of the coupons, prefix, suffix, and we can even save the generated coupons in a file for later use. This program uses following characters A to Z and 0 to 9 to generate coupons. In terms of packages, I'm using the following ones: better profanity to check for profane words, black for code formatting, mypy for type checking, pre-commit for pre-commit hooks, and pytest for testing. The project structure is the following. I have an output folder that contains output files, argparser, which is a class that wraps the argparse package. Constant file contains all the constants. Project.py is the main file. readme.md is for documentation. Requirements.txt contains the name of all the packages that is used in this project. Test argparser is the test file for the argparser, and test project is the test file for the project. So in order to run this one, we can check all the options available, and if let's say we want to generate random coupons, we can execute like so and it will generate a random coupon. If we want to generate, let's say, 3 coupons, we can set the end flag and let's say we can set it to 3 and we'll get 3 random coupons. If we want to generate coupons of length, let's say 6, then we can set the L flag to 6 and we'll start generating random coupons of length 6. If we want to generate coupons with prefix, let's say CS50, then we can set the P flag and now it will start generating coupons with prefix. Similarly, if we want to set the suffix, we can set the S flag and let's say we want to use 2025, so it will start generating coupons with suffix 2025. And if we want to save the generated coupons in a file, we can set the F flag to coupons.txt and it will generate the coupons and save it in an output file. And we can check the generated coupons like so. This is CouponPie, my final project. Thank you.